Hi, and welcome to 118 Fireside Drive in McMurray. Today we're going to do a virtual walkthrough because you can't come to our house, so we're going to try to bring our house to you. Okay, entering into the house, we have the stairs that greet you and updated flooring that was done in 2019. Walking down through into the kitchen, we have updated cabinetry, all matching appliances. Pantry, which then leads into the dining room area. The dining room then enters into what we've turned into a playroom and craft area for our children, but the previous owners used as a formal living room. Stepping back through out of this room, we'll turn back, move into the eating kitchen area. Here we have the door for the basement. Moving into the family room. The family room offers a working wood-burning fireplace, coat closet, and access to the deck. Stepping back in, we'll now move back towards the front door. And we'll look at the powder room here. Flooring continues into the powder room area. And now we'll head upstairs. Walk into the large guest bath area with double sink and shower tub. Stepping back, we'll move into this first room. Which has a walk-in closet. Moving back out, we have attic access here, and we'll turn the corner into the next bedroom, which also features a walk-in closet. You'll notice here a whole house fan, which is great for cool spring days and fall days because it circulates air from the outside all over the house. Moving into this room, plenty of space and closet access here. And now moving out, we'll head over to the master. master features a large closet, and also an ensuite bathroom. Stepping back out into the hallway, we'll now head back down the stairs and go check out the finished basement. Is an additional pantry area. And we'll see a great area for work from home and for kids to hang out, relax, play video games, and watch TV. A few points to note. Behind these doors here are the electrical panels. It's a very shallow door area. It's not a closet. Moving through here, we'll check out the awesome laundry room area. Through those doors, you'll find the furnace and the hot water heater. Moving back out this way, we have a huge understair storage area, a full bathroom, walkout access to the underdeck patio area, coat closet, and walkout entry into the garage. Both garage door systems were newly installed by us when we moved in. Turning back around, we'll head back upstairs and out the front door. Here you can see the access to the walkout deck that exits through the family room. And as we walk down, we'll see an oversized flat driveway where the kids can learn to ride bikes and play. We have a shed for all of your outdoor tool needs, as well as an oversized garage that can fit both a full-size Suburban and a Durango. Private backyard, bottom area for fire pits. If you'd like more information about 118 Fireside Drive, please feel free to reach out to our realtor, Katie Mahla at Coldwell Banker. Please have your realtor reach out to her directly if you would like to schedule a private FaceTime walkthrough. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy our home.